Take a look at the information editing and import for the CX45 machine in the CX15 code. First, let's open the cross software. Open the editing software by double-clicking it. Then click on New. Select CX45. If there's no model, which one should you choose? Its name, we are CX45 I53. That's the recommendation? Yes, so we'll choose this one. Click OK. Now we can edit the information in this text box. You can edit one like my daughter or my younger sister. You can do it here. Enter the information we need. Here, you can easily change its font style. We can choose the specific font that we truly want, and then below in the parentheses, we can precisely select the exact font size that we genuinely need for our design. Size. All right, after we finish entering, of course, you can also add bold, underline, and so on here. Once you've made the changes, click Confirm, and it will appear. Of course, if you like, you can make this word bigger. Okay, let's edit a date in the import date. Here we can select the format we need for the date format. There are magnets here that can also be changed. Change the size of the calligraphy and painting here. I added the wrong one. Xiaojun. Okay, let's fry these two now. Thank you. After we create it, let's save it first. After successfully saving this important information, we then proceed to give this data a specific name, 2332. Save our precious click. Insert the USB drive into the computer, eh? Okay. We click on Print to File. I choose Insert Character. Select the one we just named, which is 32. We choose 32 and make sure the front part is complete. It's acting up a bit. Okay, select this USB drive. Click OK. Okay, I will put what I have finished into it. Insert the USB drive with the information into our machine, plug it into our machine, and inside the machine, there is an option for Submit, and here is a USB drive. All right, the information file we created, 32, is right here. The previous and following steps have already been completed, so we just need to click OK. It's transferring now, and then this information will appear. If we need to print this information, we select it. Send the answer, and this important information will then show up on the HMI display. Okay, that's how you edit and import information.